Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to verify your Apple ID or email on your iPhone. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your settings, then tap on your profile name on the top of your screen. Finally, tap on sign in and security and let it load up to go ahead and open it. And now all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on the email that needs the verification. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and make sure that you have the verification enabled. So as you can see, you can simply go ahead and tap on the other email as well, and you can simply go ahead and tap on verify. However, if you don't see it, you can also turn on two-factor authentication and have it right through here. So simply go ahead and have your automatic verification on as well, which is also going to go ahead and help with it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.